to you all. Today I would like to talk about BlockScout. And BlockScout is a tool for exploring, confirming, and inspecting transactions on the blockchain. And they are currently performing an airdrop program. Let's get started. All you need to do is connect. When you come on their BlockScout page, all you need to do is connect your MetaMask, which I've already connected here, which you can see. After you are done connecting your MetaMask, you need to log in into your account. So kindly use your Gmail and log in, which I've already done. So I'm continuing with email right now. After you type your email, they will send you the code to your email, which you need to input. Even though I've already done it, I'm trying to do a test run for you to see. Okay, yeah, I already have the code though, but I'm trying to redo it so that you all see. That an email has been successfully used to log into your BlockScout account. So got it. Okay. Now you need to click on Merit and claim your daily 10 merit points every day. After you are done claiming your daily 10 points, you need to also mint the NFTs. So you move to BlockScout page here and mint the NFT. There, it's not expensive. It only costs 0.002 ETH to mint the NFT, which I've already done here. You can see here, I've already minted the NFT. Yeah, Merry Christmas NFT. That's all you need to do on here. You can also share your referral link to your friends and loved ones so that they can join to be able to increase your points. See you another time.